Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It is great to see you here. If you're new, my name is Jay Yalofsky, and here we talk about DaVinci Resolve, photography, Photoshop, Lightroom, and even sometimes some gear stuff, because who doesn't love a little gear, right? So if you're into any of those things, consider subscribing to my channel. But in this video, we're going to be talking about the match frame tool in DaVinci Resolve. I just learned about this recently, and I found it super helpful, and I could have used it a lot of times in the past. So I want to share it with you guys, and hopefully you find it useful too. So let's jump into the video. So the match frame tool is going to help you realign your audio and video clips if something happens where they shift out of whack, or maybe you accidentally deleted, say, an audio track. This tool is going to help you sync them back up without having to go back to your original source file, scrub through, find your in points and out points and all that. It's just going to do it for you. So let's jump over into DaVinci Resolve, and I'm going to show you this cool tool and show you how easy it is. All right, so here we are in DaVinci Resolve, and I'm going to show you how to use the match frame. You're going to love this. I think this is awesome. All right, so I have one clip in my media pool, and I'm going to bring that up in my left-hand viewer here. And let's say I want to just grab part of this video. I'm going to put some in points and mark an out point here. And let's say I'm going to drag it down to my timeline, and oops, I just grabbed the video. And then I keep going on. I don't realize I didn't bring the audio with it. And I add another clip and bring this one down into the timeline. And then I come back to this clip and I'm watching it and I'm like, oh no, what happened to my audio? How am I going to get the audio to match back up with the video clip? Because I don't know where my in points and out points were. Well, you could try and scroll through and match it up, but you're probably not going to have a lot of luck. And if you do, it's going to take a long time. So forget that. So here's how you use match frame. This is great. Bring your playhead back to the beginning of the clip that you want to find your audio for. Select your clip, come up to timeline and down to match frame. What that's going to do is go to your original source file from your media pool. It's going to set the in points and out points to match exactly with the clip that you have in your timeline. Then all you have to do is grab the audio, bring it down, and boom, drop it in your timeline, and your clips are perfectly synced back up. So that Resolve can sync it up. And the new features in the sync, that's awesome. So let's say maybe I had a clip in my timeline and I deleted the audio on accident. Same idea. Bring your playhead to the beginning of the clip, select the clip, come up to timeline, match frame, and then it'll reset the in points and out points of your original source video to match the clip in your timeline. Now I can just grab the audio, bring it down, play my video. It's perfectly synced
points
up.
And out points, or in my case, I'm going to use audio.
This is awesome. I love this feature. I wish I would have known about it earlier. A great tool to know about in case you accidentally delete your audio that's associated with your clip. All right, the match frame tool, there you go. It's super easy to do. It's helpful. You don't have to go back to your original source file, line things up. Forget about it. You just go to the match frame tool. It does it for you. So if you like this video, you like this tip, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Click that little notification bell if you haven't already and you'd like to learn more about DaVinci Resolve. And hopefully, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.